Hello Cancerans, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to your relationship reading. So this reading is all about relationships. We're going to read about your partner, the outcome of this month in terms of relationships. Look at it and then try to pick up the key pointers from this reading and move ahead in your relationships accordingly and take precautions accordingly in your relationship so that your life becomes smoother with this month. And let's get ahead. So before we actually start the reading, I would like to share my contact number with you so that you can reach me for your personalized readings. My number will be 8448901791. It is an India number, so the code will be 91. Please add 91 before the number. And you can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Thank you so much, and let's get ahead in the reading further. What is happening for Cancerians in the month of September? What relationship advices you need to carry, and what exactly you're doing in the month? Okay, all right. So I must say, very promising cards, but then the problems are there, but then those are self-made problems of Cancerians. They have done it themselves, independently created problems in their mind, and then they are thinking about it. But the problem does not exist actually, or even if it is there, it is not that critical, that problematic as you have made it in your mind. So that's a one key pointer here in your reading. Let's get ahead. Your partner is going to come and ask for a lot of help in the relationship. Helping is happening in this month by Cancerians. A lot of people will approach you for help, asking for help. Your partner will also be in a need and support of you in this month, so you need to support them generously, and I think you're going to do that. You are going to do that. If you look at this card, you are very generous in giving love and then affection to them, so you will be very peacefully giving and extending advice and support to them. So that's a wonderful energy. I think your partner is going to be very happy in this month because you are giving them the desired help what they need in the month of September. You might have to work very hard in this month on your work relationships, on your finances. The work might ask you to get away, go and do something away from your home. Maybe you will have to travel for work, because of which you will be away from your partner for some time. The kind of for few of the Cancerians, if you're trying to convince your family for an association between you and your partner, maybe convince them for your relationship, you're not going to get beneficial results. In fact, you're going to get opposed by people. Your idea will be opposed by a lot of people. You will not have many supporters with you in this relationship. But then I will have to tell you that you will have to carry the burden of this relationship on your own shoulder, and on your own risk. You will have to carry forward in this relationship if you really want to get ahead with this person, because I don't see supporters coming your way. I don't see that you will get support of your family and an agreement of your family for this relationship, Cancerians. If you are on your way towards a relationship, like you are about to commit and you want to get married to someone, that's something which I really see in these cards. But the problem here is that you are a family person. You're someone who's very attached to their mothers and then very attached to their families. And the problem here is that you will keep on waiting for their agreement, and this is something which might create some tussles between you and your partner. Maybe the partner will think that you are not serious about him or her, or maybe you will leave them one fine day, and this is why you will have problems amongst you. However, those problems do not exist. So guys, if you're dating a Cancerian and he's not committing because of the family constraints, or family is not saying yes, it does not mean that they're not serious about you. They're very much serious about you. The only problem here is that they cannot go against their family and they're just waiting. They would want to wait, but you don't want to wait. So there you're creating problems in your in your relationship by overthinking, by thinking a little too much about this relationship. And the practicality here, the materialistic part, the materialization rather of this relationship is something which will be a problem here. So this is why there are problems happening. There is overthinking happening. There is the trust issues which are coming in. You're not able to trust people. or maybe you will have a lot of fights also. You might think that your partner is a little what do we call it, he is a trickster, he has got you in this relationship, he has spoiled your life, and because he is not committing to you and he has used you, or whatever, stories you can make in your mind. I told you initially only that this month you're going to create a lot of stories in your own mind about someone, and that's something which is I can certainly see here. You will treat your partner like a trickster. You will feel, oh my god, I have been cheated, I'm not getting the right kind of reply from the person. Right kind of reply would be something which is as per your thinking. So you want that person to commit the way, like your way. Okay, if you want it now, he should say yes or no as per your needs now, but he's not going to do that. He's Cancerians are family people, they're family persons, and they're water signs, very very attached to their family, specifically their mother, and they have a lot of influence in them. Now because you're thinking like this, I see that there are confusions and the double-minded kind of scenario happening, that you're thinking about two different things. Oh, should you leave this person, should you be with this person, and then again you're not able to take that decision also, because you are again Eight of Swords has again appeared in your reading, saying that, oh god, how will it happen. So stress is ruling your cards in the month of September, guys. My advice, what is it? How can you avoid it? Have patience, okay? Talk it out. There is no cheating happening here. Let me be clear with you and make it clear to you. There's no cheating happening in this relationship. There are no ill intents and ill intentions in this relationship. No, this is something which is made up by you. It's a story made up by your mind, and then it is trying to divert your relationship towards a negative path, which should not happen, which you can avoid by not overthinking, by not having arguments about it, and doubting the intentions of your partner. Maybe your partner, Cancerian, they are acting a little cold right now. They don't want to talk to you. Maybe they want you to bow down in front of them, and then maybe they will leave you for some time, and with an intention, this person will come after me, he will bow down in front of me, whatever I say this person will do it that way. But then you're not going to do that. That's the problem. So people who are dating Cancerians and they're watching this video, I will say, have patience with them. Don't be so cold with them. What is the problem area in these cards for Cancerians? It's ego. Ego is ruining everything. So you have to avoid getting into egoistic decisions, egoistic conversations, and egoistic decision making. Be away from that, because that's going to impact your relationship big time. Ego is the enemy for Cancerians and the people who are dealing with Cancerians. It is an enemy in this month. Try to avoid that. Control your anger, control your overthinking. Have patience with them, and then see things will turn out like very very wonderfully great for you. Because I will tell you the reason why am I saying that. Because the outcome of this relationship is so beautiful, I can't tell you that. And you will reach at this stage, these two outcome cards, you will reach them only by maintaining patience. So it's a beautiful energy, it is a beautiful month, and take it in a way that this month is like a testing period for your relationship. This month will establish your relationship either towards a negative side or towards a positive side. So it is a decision making month, September. If you will manage it well, you will win the battle. If you manage it or don't manage it well, there's a mismanagement happening here, then you will lose it forever. The readings will change basis the way you treat. See, the Sun and Lovers both are blessing you in this reading. It's a beautiful reading, I'm telling you. Despite of their Cancerians, your parents are not supporting your decision, you still want to be there with your partner. Now partners, if you will not cope with them, if you will not support them, and then give your extend your support towards their decision, and then it is going to be a disaster. So I will say, very beautiful month for Cancerians, decision making month, productive month, testing time, but then the outcome is beautiful. So you're going to get what you deserve, and that deserving thing will be much better than what you, the kind of situation you are in today. So future is very promising. Take care of yourself, take care of your partners, your family, manage your egos well. You need to be, you will be a little far from house for some time for work purpose, and your partner will expect little too much from you in this month. So try to maintain that balance between them and your work and your finances also, and your emotions also at the same time, and life will be beautiful as it is today. Yeah, take care, God bless you, be happy, be positive, and keep smiling always.